Hey guys, Hop here for TFBTV. We are at SHOT Show 2022, talking to Dave from Modtac. He's going to tell us a little bit about this rifle and a lot about this suppressor cover.
Yeah, how you doing? So my name's Dave. Our company's Modern Tactical Creations, or Modtac. We're here in the Daniel Defense booth, stand in front of the new Delta 5 Pro, which is a 16-inch 308 in a full chassis from Daniel Defense. It's a pretty sweet shooting gun. Our product involved in this is the carbon fiber suppressor shield that's mounted out to the front of the chassis system here. So what we make are various types of carbon fiber suppressor shields that mount on all different kinds of weapon systems, and this particular one is mounted up on the Delta 5 Pro.
So first of all, I guess, for people who don't know, what are the benefits of using a suppressor cover, just in general?
So a suppressor cover basically does two things. It mitigates mirage, which is important coming off a long gun like this, and it's also going to protect you from burning yourself as that can warms up, whether you're putting it down on a sling or setting it down on a table of equipment.
And then the differences between like a suppressor wrap, a traditional suppressor cover versus this one, which is free-floated. Does this offer some advantages over that design?
Yeah, there's a lot of advantages to this. While it's reducing the chance of burning and mirage, because there's an air gap inside our tube around the suppressor, it allows air to flow up through these bottom vents and let the can cool and breathe, cool down more naturally.
So the heat transfer through the air gap is going to be a lot slower than it would be through a direct wrap.
Yeah, absolutely. The heat transfer through is a lot slower. We've got our primary insulator is air around the suppressor, and then the carbon fiber tubes, which only weigh 3 or 4 ounces, they offer an enormous amount of insulation as well.
Are there also any benefits to the suppressor itself to not be, constrained and wrapped in?
Yeah, absolutely. So the cool down time that we see with ours compared to a fabric wrap, it cools down to ambient temperature about 50% of the time of keeping it in a fabric wrap. And the advantages of that are letting the metal cool down quickly will not anneal the metal. So if we get this can up to 800 or 1,000 degrees and you're going to keep it at that temperature for better part of an hour, that's going to anneal and lead to breakdown of the metal long term.
Awesome. So this one is mounted with a special system designed for this rifle. You guys have other mounting systems or universal mounting systems as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the M-RAC, or the Modular Rail Attached Coupler. We make this for specific rails like the Knight's Armament or the Geisley rails that are...
Hold that one if you want to grab the other one.
That are free-floated. And then we also have the Universal Rail Attached Coupler, which mounts on the top picatinny rail of AR guns, or AR-15s. And with that, we've got these for standard AR-15s. We also are coming out with ones for AR-10s and 416 height rails. This is the same quick disconnect system, light carbon fiber, and these ones also, because they're mounted on the top picatinny rail, utilize a slot for the Unity tactical flip-up sight, so you're not wasting real estate.
Awesome. And do you have ballpark price points for all these and availability? Some available now, some coming soon?
Yeah, so we have all these available on the website, and price point starts at $330.
Awesome. Well, thanks for showing us how these things work, and it's good talking to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more stuff from SHOT Show 2022.
Thanks.